Let me ask you something really quick. When you get up from the couch, do your legs feel shaky? Do your knees feel stiff when you climb stairs? Do you feel like your legs just aren't as dependable as they used to be? If that sounds familiar, I want you to know you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not stuck. Because here's what most people over 50 don't realize. Weak legs are not just a normal part of getting older that you have to accept. A huge part of it comes down to what you're eating, or more specifically, what you're not eating. Today, I'm going to share 10 foods that doctors and nutrition researchers actually recommend to help rebuild leg strength, fight muscle loss, and help you feel more steady and confident on your feet, starting this week. So stay right here, because number 7 is going to surprise you. Before we get into the list, let's take a moment to understand why your legs get weaker after 50. There's a condition called sarcopenia, which refers to the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength as we age. After the age of 50, adults can lose around 1 to 2% of their muscle mass every year, and muscle strength can decline even faster over time. This loss affects your balance, your mobility, and your confidence in everyday movements, like walking or climbing stairs. But here's the good news. With the right nutrition and small lifestyle changes, you can slow this process down and even rebuild strength. The foods you eat play a powerful role in supporting your muscles, improving circulation, and keeping your legs strong. Let's start with the first food, salmon. Salmon is a true powerhouse when it comes to supporting leg strength. It provides high-quality protein, which your muscles need to repair and maintain themselves. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Lower inflammation means better muscle recovery and less stiffness. Including salmon in your diet 2 to 3 times a week can help support your muscles and improve overall mobility. Next, we have eggs. Eggs are one of the most effective and affordable sources of protein. Each egg contains essential amino acids that your body needs to maintain muscle mass. They are also a great source of vitamin D, which plays a key role in muscle function and bone strength. Many people over 50 have low levels of vitamin D, which can contribute to weakness. Adding 2 to 3 eggs to your daily routine can make a noticeable difference over time. Moving on to Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and calcium, both of which are important for maintaining strong muscles and bones. It's especially beneficial when consumed after light activity, as it helps your body repair muscle tissue more efficiently. Choosing plain Greek yogurt and adding natural ingredients like fruits or a little honey is a healthy and effective option. Now let's talk about chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein that helps maintain and rebuild muscle mass. Consuming enough protein throughout the day is crucial after 50, as your body becomes less efficient at using it. Including chicken in your meals several times a week can support muscle health and overall strength. Number 5 is spinach. Spinach is loaded with important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and vitamins that support muscle function. Magnesium in particular plays a key role in muscle contraction and energy production. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to muscle weakness and cramps. Adding spinach to your meals regularly is a simple way to boost your nutrient intake. Next are beans and lentils. These are excellent plant-based sources of protein and also provide essential minerals like iron and magnesium. They support muscle health and provide steady energy throughout the day. They are also budget-friendly and easy to include in a variety of meals. Now let's move to number 7, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants and potassium. Potassium is essential for proper muscle function and helps prevent cramps and fatigue. Antioxidants help protect your muscles from damage and support recovery. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help improve energy levels and muscle performance. Number 8 is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese contains a type of protein that is digested slowly, providing your muscles with a steady supply of nutrients over several hours. This makes it especially useful before bedtime, as your body does a lot of its repair work while you sleep. Number 9 is bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, which are essential for healthy muscle function. They help prevent muscle cramps and reduce the feeling of heaviness or fatigue in the legs. Having a banana daily is a simple and effective habit. Finally, number 10, blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. They also improve blood flow, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles more efficiently. Including a handful of blueberries in your daily diet can support overall muscle health. Now, just as important as what you eat is what you avoid. Try to reduce ultra-processed foods, excess salt, and sugary drinks, as they can increase inflammation and negatively affect your muscle strength and energy levels. Let's quickly recap the foods we discussed: salmon, eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken breast, spinach, beans and lentils, sweet potatoes, cottage cheese, bananas, and blueberries. Here's what you can do starting today. Choose just 3 of these foods that you don't eat regularly and start adding them to your meals this week. Small, consistent changes like this can lead to real improvements over time. Remember, weak legs are not something you have to accept as a part of aging. With the right approach, you can stay strong, active, and independent for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Aging Well Hub for more simple and effective health tips. Take care of yourself, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.